I'm gonna tell you the Chibi Saints name. This is our my laying down. This is our my laying down saint. This is Santo Ichirelo, the dead Christ. This is Santo Niño. This is Infant Mary. Sleeping Saint Joseph, Joseph the Jurino. This is our my together saint. This is Holy Family, Joseph, Jesus, and Mary. Saint Anne and Saint Maria. This is Our Lady of Fatima. Saint Camillus de Lelis. This is our my child. This is our my child saint. This is La Niña Maria, the Holy Child. This is Saint Carlo Acutis, San Lorenzo Ruiz. Thank you. This is our my Santo Niño.
This is gonna be so much fun.
This is Great Santo Niño, Santo Bambino. This is Red Santo Niño. Next, I'm gonna show you the pretty ladies of my Chibi Saint. This is Saint Lazaret, Our Lady of Lazaret. She was found with two kids or 3 kids. He was crying. This is Our Lady of Good Health. This is Our Lady of Candelaria. The Candelaria, before Jesus Christ died, he was holding a candle. This is Immaculate Conception. This is Our Lady of the Pillar. This is Our Lady of Piat. This is Our Lady of Manawa. This is Our Lady of Grace. Next, I'm gonna show you my Father Saint. This is Saint Padre Pio. This is San Nicolas. Saint Nicholas or San Nicholas. This is Saint Jude the Baptist or Zedeus. For this, I'm gonna show you my Jesus Christ. I'm gonna show you my old saint. This is Saint Joseph. And next, I'm gonna show you my saint, my angel saint. This is Saint Michael the Archangel, or Saint. This is Saint Guardian Angel. And next, I'm gonna show you my Jesus Christ. Okay, this is Jesus' head. And this is Black Nazarene. This is Divine Mercy. Secret Heart of Jesus. Crucifix. Christ the King. And then next, I'm gonna show you my big saint. This is La Pieta. This is Buong Nazareno. This is Christ the King. This is Christ the King, like this. This is big, this is small, the chibi. Christ the King. This is glow in the dark crucifix. This is Big Black Nazarene. This is Camille Grossa. This is Baby Jesus. This is Bethlehem. And lastly, Rise and Christ. Bye vlog. I'm gonna unbox my chibi saint next time. Bye. Thank you.